Welcome back to Boundless Books. Today we are diving into Chapter 5 of Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, titled Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. In this chapter, Harry wakes up at the Burrow and enjoys a warm, lively morning with the Weasley family. We see Fred and George's ambitious plans for their joke shop, learn about Percy's obsession with his ministry job, and experience the excitement of preparing for the Quidditch World Cup. Let's explore the key moments and character developments that make this chapter so engaging. The morning at the Burrow is bustling with activity as the Weasleys and Harry prepare to head to the Quidditch World Cup. Fred and George, in particular, stand out as they attempt to sneak some gold from their mother, revealing their growing interest in joke products under the name Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. Mrs. Weasley, however, is not amused and scolds them for not taking their futures seriously. Percy remains fixated on his work at the Ministry of Magic, constantly praising his boss, Mr. Crouch, while Ron and the twins tease him mercilessly. While packing, Harry and Ron have a conversation about Bagman and Crouch, two key ministry figures involved in organizing the World Cup. This chapter also sets up future conflicts, particularly regarding Fred and George's ambitions, Mrs. Weasley's concern for them, and Percy's blind loyalty to the ministry. Finally, the group heads out, preparing to use an unusual method of travel, the portkey. Key moments in the chapter include Harry's morning at the Burrow, a cozy and familiar scene showcasing the warmth of the Weasley household. Fred and George's joke shop plans, their dreams of running a joke shop, Weasley's Wizard Wheezes, are introduced. Percy's obsession with the ministry, his devotion to Mr. Crouch and his bureaucratic attitude create tension. Packing for the World Cup, the excitement builds as they prepare for their trip. First mention of potkeys, a hint at the magical method of transport they will use. Differences between the book and movie. This chapter was left out of the movie entirely. The film skips straight to the Quidditch World Cup, cutting Fred and George's business aspirations, Percy's job obsession, and the fun family dynamics at the Burrow. These details add richness to the book, setting up future Weasley family tensions and showing the early development of Fred and George's entrepreneurial spirit. That wraps up Chapter 5, Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. This chapter gives us a delightful glimpse into the Weasley household while setting the stage for future events. What's your favorite Weasley moment so far? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for Chapter 6, where we dive into the magical world of potkeys and the journey to the Quidditch World Cup.